How to download and install Threads app. Now, there are a couple of ways on how you can download Threads app. You can open Instagram, head over to your profile, and then tap on the three lines, and here you can find the option of Threads. If you tap on it, this is your Threads ticket. So you can simply tap on open Threads, and that's going to open Threads if you have already installed the Threads app. Or if you have not done that, it's going to simply open up in Google Play Store, and from here you can search for Threads and then download it from here as well. Remember to download this exact app, which is from Instagram. So once you have downloaded this app, you can tap on open to open Threads. Now, if you have already installed Instagram and you have logged into your account, it is simply going to show that account name over here, since Threads and Instagram are both associated. Or you can also switch accounts as well. For that, simply tap on switch accounts, and in here you can add the accounts which are already in your Instagram, or you can also log into another Instagram account by entering the username or email address or phone number and the password. But for this video, I'm simply going to log in with the Instagram account that I currently have. So tap on that option and it may take some time to load up. Now, as you can see, it is going to import the profile details from Instagram. So if you want that, you can tap on import from Instagram, or you can also customize your Threads profile anytime you want. Now tap on continue, and over here you can choose if you want to make Threads a public profile or a private profile. I'm going to make it a private profile. Now tap on continue. So here you can choose to follow the same accounts that you follow on Instagram, or you can also search for some accounts and then follow them as well. If you want to follow the same accounts, tap on follow all. And now it's going to briefly describe how Threads work, so you can go through all of this. Now tap on join Threads. Now you can allow Threads to send you notifications, and once you do all of that, you have successfully installed and logged into Threads. Now you can continue to use this app. And that is it video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.